Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make yummy and healthy horse gram curry. Let's get started. For this I took sprouted horse gram and boiled them with some salt. Look at this, the horse gram is well cooked and the sprouts are still visible. And for the curry I'm soaking cashews and melon seeds, and while they're getting soaked I'm preparing some paste that are required for the curry. To the pan I am taking coconut oil. You can use any oil. I am taking coconut oil for its flavor. While when the oil is hot enough, you can add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chilies and hing to the oil. The amount of oil we are using for this curry is very less because I'm trying to have this curry as simple, as healthy as possible. So to the tempering is hot, so I added the chopped onions, and we're going to achieve translucent texture of onions. For this I'm adding salt as well to make the process quicker. So yeah, saute the onions until they are almost done, and then you're going to add ginger garlic paste. As the the oil is very less, you can see the ginger garlic paste is getting stick to my bottom, but the onions are all done. So take it to a blender and grind it to a fine paste. Yes, and because the pan is all hot, I'm taking adding tomatoes and making them mushy enough. And yeah, the onion mixture here is blended to fine paste like this. Now take the tomatoes into a plate and then transfer the onion mixture into the same pan. Here, yeah, it's almost cooked. The onions are almost cooked, but I'm trying to get rid of any raw smell that's there in the onion and tomato paste. So just mix the mixtures together and try to saute them. You don't have to do all the paste like the onions and tomatoes, but I like the texture of the curry when the onion and tomatoes are well grinded. So to the mixture I'm adding the red chili powder. So yes, the red chili powder is added to the mixture, and saute it, and while the mixture is getting cooked I am taking the poppy seeds and the soaked cashews and melon seeds and preparing the white paste with the coconut. So the amount of coconut I take is lesser because I use coconut oil, but you can adjust to your taste. Now the white paste is poured into the red mixture that's being cooked, and you can stir it like this. Yes, yeah, the mixture has to be cooked enough because we are using all raw nuts. So pour in all the water and adjust the consistency you want for the mixture, and then put the lid on and bring it to a boil. So this horse curry is very healthy. If you have any hemoglobin deficiency, please try it and take it once a week as a iron supplement. I'm no expert, but I just want to give this advice. So the boiled horse gram is put in this mixture and it's cooked like this, and put the lid on and cook all the mixtures together. See, the bubbles are all up, and I'm topping it with cilantro. I like to take it off with like this consistency, which is like watery, because it's dal and it gets thicker later on, and you can serve it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.